Good morning, dear students. In this video, we shall study using logarithm to reduce equations to linear form. Means, if you are having equations not in the linear form, we will convert those equations in the linear form. You know which kind of linear equations? Y equals to mx plus c. We will convert a log equation in this form. Exponential growth or decay is of the form y equals to a b raised to power t, right? If you take log on both the sides, you will have log y equals to log of a, as this is getting multiplied with b, and log of b raised to power t. T comes in front, so you will have log y equals to log of a plus t log of b. Okay, and if you compare, if you draw the graph considering log y against t, log y against t, means one is x-axis, one is y-axis and one is x-axis, right? This will be considered y-axis and this will be considered x-axis. You will have, this becomes y equals to mx. This becomes m and this becomes x. Okay, as we have already taken this as x-axis, plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. Shall we arrange that? Log of y equals to log b into t plus log a, means y equals to mx plus c. So what is now this log b? Log b is our gradient. And what is the intercept? This c becomes our intercept. Okay. So by power law, y equals to x raised to power n can be written as, by taking log, right? Log y equals to log of a plus n log of x. Okay. The graph of log y, this becomes y, against log x, this becomes x. Y equals to mx plus c. We have arranged it, right? So now what is the gradient? Gradient is n. Now what is our intercept? This is our intercept. C equals to log of a is our intercept. Okay, children, this is our gradient. Y equals to mx plus c. This becomes our gradient. Let us move ahead. By taking logarithm, transform this relation between standard variables, a linear relationship between two new variables, and state the new variables. See, I am having y equals to 7b raised to power t. Okay, take log on both the sides. Log of y equals to log of 7 plus t log of b. Okay, children. Now consider this as y equals to, this becomes a constant term, c plus, now over here we are taking graph between log y and t. So this becomes x and this becomes our m. This is our intercept and this is our gradient. Fine. Now for the second equation, y equals to ax raised to power 3. Log of y equals to log of a plus 3 log of x. Okay, compare with y equals to, this becomes c plus, now over here mx. This becomes x, this becomes our gradient and this becomes our intercept. Okay, now let us solve this. For the following linear equation involving logarithm, find the relation between the unknown variables. Okay, unknown variables x and y are the unknown variables over here. Give your answer in a form not involving log, right? You have to give the answer not in the form of log. Now children, how can you solve this? Now look for the first question. It is Now you can write this log y as it is log y to the base 10. Now log x to the base 10, okay, as it is. Now write 2 in the form of base 10. 2 can be, how can 2 be written in the form of base 10? Log of which number to the base 10 will give you 2? Yeah, it is very clear, 100, right? Because 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. I have written this also in this same form. Now can you multiply these two as log a plus log b equals to log a into b, right? So we are going to write that. This is a and this is b, right? This can be written log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. Fine. So I am having this. Finally, I'll have this step. Okay. So I am having log y to the base 10 equals to log 100 x cube raised to the base 10. Can you remove this log from both the sides? You will be having y equals to 100 x cube. Okay, we removed log from the equation. Clear? Now look for this one. This can, see, you're having log 10 everywhere. This 2 goes over here. You'll have log a equals to log pi plus log r square, right? Now this will get multiplied. Log a plus log b equals to log a into b. Log a equals to log pi r square. Remove log from both the sides. You will have a equals to pi r square. We have written the equation not involving log. Now look for the third one. This sorry, this can be written as 0.3. See, you are having log 10 over here. Okay. Now 0.3 can be written as 10 raised to power 0.3, and 0.7 can be written as 0.7x can be written as 10 raised to power 0.7x. Okay. Now try to understand, bacho, what I am saying over here. How would you get 0.3? How would you get 0.3? You will simply say that if you take log of 10 to the base 10, you will get 1. But if you keep 0.3 over here, this will come in front and you will have 0.3 log of 10 to the base 10. This becomes 1. So this is the way how you will get. This is the way how you will get 0.3. Fine. So I have written 0.3 as log of 10 raised to power 0.3 to the base 10. Secondly, now over here, how would you write 0.7x? Log of 10 raised to power 0.7x to the base 10. You will get 0.7x into log of 10 to the base 10, and this becomes 1. Okay. So you can write 0.7x as log of 10 raised to power 0.7x to the base 10. We have written over here. Now you know log a plus log b equals to log a into b, right? Log a plus log b equals to log a into b. So this can be written as, see carefully over here, children. This becomes same as it is, and over here it becomes, shall we separate this x? There is a reason for that. Okay. There is a reason for that. So you will have log to the base 10, 10 raised to power 0.3 into 10 raised to power 0.7 whole raised to power x. Okay. So if you solve this, you will get y equals to 1.995. For this, you will get y equals to log 1.995, and for this you will get into 5.012 raised to power x. We have removed log from both the sides. Okay. Log of y to the base 10. Removing this, you will have y equals to simply this into this. What is 10 raised to power 0.3? It will be 1.995. What is 10 raised to power 0.7? It will be 5.012. Now this x remains as it is. Clear? Now over here, how you shall write? How can you write 2? 2 can be written as log of 100 to the base 10. You will get 2, right? How to? 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. Fine. Now combine them. combine them as everything is in log. Okay, I think this is repeating. Okay, let us move ahead. The metabolic rate of mammals M and their body mass B are thought to be obey a power law in M equals to A B raised to power K. Data on 4 species of mammals are given in the table. Plot a graph of log of M against log of B. Means you are going to take one as X and other as Y and use it to estimate the value of A and K. Now see children, if B is 1.6, M is 1.9, if B is 8, M is 6.4, if B is 700, M is 143, if B is 9000, M is 1100. Okay, now take log on both the sides. You are having M equals to A B raised to power K. Take log on both the sides. Log of M can be written as log of A plus K log of B. This becomes M and this becomes X. Taking logarithm of the equation shows that the gradient is K. This becomes M and intercept is A. Fine. And this is, sorry, this is not the intercept. This is the intercept. C. And this is X. Okay. Now you take the values of log B, right? Whatever values are given to you, you take the values of log B, use your calculator and then log M. Log M of these values. Then you will get these respective values. Now let us go for the graph. Log of body mass, that is V, and log of metabolic rate. When you plot the graph, you will get a straight line. Can you see this straight line? All the 4 values are plotted over here. Okay children, log M equals to 0.72 log B plus 0.13. When you plot the graph, you will get this as y equals to mx plus c. This is your intercept, that is A, value of A, and this is your gradient. Okay children, from the line you have to form a linear equation of the line. Now look for this question. 5 raised to power y equals to 3 raised to power 2x plus 1. Take log on both the sides, you will have y log of 5 equals to 2x plus 1 log of 3. Now make y as a subject, you will have make y as a subject. How did you get this x over here? 5 raised to power y equals to 3 raised to power 2x plus 1. Taking log, you will have this and this. Okay, when you make y as a subject, there is a misprint, I think. This can be written as 2x log of 3 plus log of 3. When you send this log 5 in the denominator, you will have log of 5 over here and log of 5 over here. Solve these things. 2 into log 3 upon log 5, log 3 upon log 5 separately. So you will have y equals to m, and this will be x plus this will be your intercept. Okay, this equation describes a straight line. This equation, they have, okay, x is over here. This equation describes a straight line. Okay, you have to find the exact value of the gradient and intercept. This is your intercept, C, this is your intercept, and this is your gradient. Okay, x is not the gradient. Other things other than x are your gradients. Fine. These are your homework questions, children. I have given you only 3 questions. Please feel free to contact me in case of any doubts. Okay, children. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.